Hello, sweet soul. Welcome to your daily meditation. My name's Julianne Arce, and I'll be your guide through this inner journey. As we gather in this moment, find a comfortable position where you can feel supported and at ease. You may sit or lie down. Just make sure you can find a place where you can place your hand over your heart with ease. When you found your just right cozy spot, and close your eyes, and let's begin the journey inward. Start by placing your hand onto your heart, feeling the warmth of your own touch. And breathe deeply into the space under your hand, inhaling slowly and fully. As you exhale, release any tension or thoughts. With each breath, feel more connected to the here and the now. As you continue to breathe deeply, and focus on the rhythm of your breath. This rhythm, the beat of your heart, is your own personal drum, echoing the song of your existence. It's steady and strong and uniquely yours. Let each beat remind you of your aliveness, of your incredible journey through life. With every heartbeat, visualize that you're sending love and gratitude to your body. And thank your heart for its unwavering support, for its dedication to sustaining you, for being the drum of your life's dance. Feel a sense of awe for the complex simplicity with which your heart works, nurturing and caring for you every second, every day. Now imagine that with every beat, your heart is spreading this love and vitality throughout your body. Each pulse sends waves of nourishment and care to every cell, every organ, rejuvenating you, your spirit. Feel this energy radiate from your heart, flowing outwards like ripples on a serene lake, reaching every part. As you sit with your hand on your heart, let this feeling of aliveness fill you with gratitude. Reflect on the many ways your body supports you, often without any conscious effort or thought from you. It breathes, it moves, it heals, all automatically, a testament to the miracles of nature and the miracles of your being. In this moment of connection, allow yourself to acknowledge any emotions that may surface. If you feel joy, let it expand. If you encounter sadness or stress, acknowledge these feelings with compassion. Your heart is not just the center of your physical life, it's the seat of emotional wisdom. Listen to what it's telling you without judgment. Now let's take 3 deep breaths, intentional breaths together. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peace and serenity. With each exhale, envision releasing what no longer serves you. Let go of worry, doubt, fear. Inhale, filling your heart with peace. Exhale, release all that weighs you down. Inhaling once more, feeling rejuvenated, alive. Exhale, finding deeper relaxation. As we begin to bring this short meditation practice to a close, slowly remove your hand from your heart. But keep the sensation of its warmth and rhythm. And carrying this feeling of life and connection with you as you gently open your eyes, returning to the world around you. Thank you for taking this moment to connect deeply with your heart and your aliveness. Remember, you can return to this feeling anytime you need a reminder of how precious and vital you are. Namaste, beautiful soul.